Discover Kwanzaa's guiding principles and their echo in the world of nursing. Umoja, the unity that strengthens nursing teams. Kujichagulia, defining and advocating for ourselves and our patients. Ujima, the heart of nursing is teamwork. Ujama, collective prosperity and empowerment. Nia, our shared purpose to heal and nurture. Kuumba, creativity in caregiving. Imani, having faith in our journey.
This Kwanzaa, as nurses, let's embody these principles and light the way. Stay informed, inspired, and connected. Subscribe to our newsletter at Atlantis Educational Center